Good evening, guys, and welcome back to Food Vlogs with Hope TV. And today we'll be going out to Small Sliders. This is a nice burger joint that just came in town. And guys, what better way to get to know it than giving it a try? Everybody been saying, DT, check them out. They got them nice sliders, them good burgers, man, with them fries, the wavy fries. I said, man, DT, you know me, I'm on the way. So, guys, here we are. If you ever been to this place, guys, drop it in a comment and let us know what your experience was like. And we're going to give this our own personal rating. Thank you guys for watching. All my new watchers, like, comment, subscribe, and let's get in there with the vibes. Let's yo, here we are, guys. Been great to try these sliders. I just got mine regular with pickles, the yum sauce, and that's it, guys. I wanted to see exactly how the meat tastes, so I didn't want to pack a lot of stuff on top of it. But yeah, we're gonna give it a try. But before we do, I want to give a quick backstory on my buddy Kelvin. He was the one that told me to come out and try these. He said, DT, you won't be let down, bro. Give him a review, fam. So yeah, guys, here we are. And I want to say shout out to Life is Too Short. He's on YouTube as well. But all right, guys, here we go. Cheers, guys. Nice and salt. The meat fresh. Yeah. Oh yeah. That meat tastes good. Now we got yum sauce to go with the fries. Cheers, guys. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. These better than Chick-fil-A fry. Man. It's got a nice Cajun taste to it. And that yum sauce. Top of the meat right, baby. You know it's fire. Now let's try our lemonade, guys. Got us that lemonade, had to. I don't too much fool around with sodas. I like the juices, man. Let's go. Cheers, guys. Oh, man. They lemonade from scratch. Oh, it's real good. Man. So, let's give it an honest rating. I'm going to say the beef tasted like it came out the field, like the pasture yesterday. The cheese was authentic. And the tomato, the pickle that was on it was fresh. And now it's the fries. They was crispy, not too thick. They was clean cut, soft. Had a Cajun flavor on them. Downright delicious. And the yum sauce was just a explanation point to top off the icing on the cake. Shout out to them lemon lime boys. They did their thing on that one. I'm going to give this rating a 10 out of 10. I want to say thank you guys for watching here this evening. All my new watchers, like, comment, and subscribe. And stay tuned for more food vlogs with your boy, DT Hope 23 TV, baby. We'll see y'all on the next one. We out.
Keep it going, hey. Hey, keep it going, hey. Never give up the hope. Never give up, I'ma keep on going. Always keep on working. Never give up or lose my stride. I'ma keep it certain. If I got to get on my knees, I'ma keep on working. Praying to the Lord up top and keep my life on show for certain. Keep the faith, never lose hope, and keep it working. Stay on top, rock with your people, and you keep us certain. Stay on point, do your thing, never keep lurking. You gon' do. That's right, let's go. Rocking out with your boy Hope TV. You know how it be. Every day we keep a scribe. We tryna stay on the streets. Man, I'm telling you, the spirits, man, rising up top. Jesus Christ, He save us all, man, and it'll never gonna stop. Yeah, blood shed every day. Can you see just how it works? Can you notice how we hit the ground? 6 feet in the dirt.